Welcome back to the channel. Today I have the sprout video, way shorter. It's gonna be way easier for you to understand how to do this. So with all that said, we are going to start. So the first day, what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash all the legumes. This is just showing you how much I use of each. And remember, wash these first before we start with everything. And so I like putting the legumes in a glass container, so it's better for them to sprout, but you can choose any other if you like. So the first night, I'm doing it at night, and the first night we're just gonna leave them covered with lots of water. And I actually cover them because I have little flies here. And this is the next day. We will be removing all this water. Okay, so once we do that, we just put it like that, and this is how the first day is how they're gonna be sprouting. So remember to wash them because the other water, it's dirty. So wash these, and we're gonna leave them like that, and then we're gonna cover. Now this is the second day. Okay, these won't be sprouted yet. They need a couple of more days at least. So this is how the process starts. And I just realized I left it on Spanish, but it's okay. Whatever I'm explaining, you'll know. So when we're doing this, we have to wash them every time we do that. So this is the third day. And usually what I do is at night is when I wash them. So the next day I do the same. In the morning I wash them again. So the idea is for them to have a little bit of water. See how they're sprouting already? A little bit of water so they can start sprouting. The lentils are the ones that take the fastest to sprout, which I love because, within 2 or 3 days you have lentils. And remember, these are really, really good for your stomach and everything else. Another way you can do that is when you're trying to sprout them is doing this. As you can see, it works a little bit better because the extra water just comes down. So it's way, way easier if you do it with a strainer like the one I have. And I love it. This is another way to do it, which is perfect. So now we are in the fourth day now, and as you can tell, lentils are done. So it's like 3 days sprouting, 1 day soaking. Okay, and it will be so much better for your stomach. You will absorb the protein better. You've seen it on the other video. I just wanted to make this video shorter, so there's not too much. The other one was like 15 minutes long, so I'm so sorry about that. So you can eat them like that, but I don't. I like to cook them. For some reason, I don't know why I can't eat the raw legumes. Some people can, some don't. So the beans some of them are sprouted. So I will have these. I will wash them again and leave them 1 more day. Sometimes beans do that, and sometimes they don't. I don't know why. And same thing with garbanzos. Sometimes they sprout really easy and other times they don't. In the summer, they sprout faster than the winter. Right now it's winter here, so this will take a little bit longer for me. I have some that I have taken 4 days already. And you can freeze them like that. You can cook them. When I cook, especially beans and garbanzos, I put them with this much water in the pressure cooker. But the lentils take about 3 minutes like that in a pot. So it's so easy to make them. And you can freeze them after that, or you can not cook them and then freeze them. That works. If you like my content, you can help me out by gifting me or buying me a coffee. There's a link down below on the description box. I would really, really appreciate if you do that. And also, don't forget to follow us on our social media. There's the links down below too. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.